Hi all, welcome to QA Masters. Today we are going to discuss automation script development paper script model offered by QA Masters. Have you ever calculated how many test cases are automated by you or your team from the day you started automation? Divide the number of days spent by number of test cases developed to get the time spent to automate a single test case. This includes additional efforts or wastages. Let us see different activities during automation script development. Assume 40 test cases are to be automated. In general, people identify 40 automatable test cases from a bigger pack and also non-automatable test cases. This is a good practice, but many directly jumps to the automation. Once they realize the problem, they drop the test case. This is waste of time and efforts. Identified test cases are analyzed in detail. This helps to identify technical, data and other challenges at the beginning. Also helps in identifying reusable functionalities. But many will jump to the automation without analyzing the test cases and realize the problems often late. This is again waste of time and efforts, also delivery delays. Automation script development is the core activity. Here people develop reusable scripts and automated test cases. Functional decomposition and test functions are the major missing parameters here. Sometimes coding standards. This hits reusability and readability. This leads to high rework and maintenance. People with minimal automation knowledge may not be able to understand or visualize these hidden costs. Resolving technical issues is the more time-consuming activity, especially for the teams who are new to automation or new to automation tool. Even to resolve minor technical problem, people need lot of time sometime. This is due to unavailability of expert support and delays in technical support provided by vendors. In general, all the vendors will take minimum 24 hours to respond to any query. Sometimes it takes days to weeks to resolve technical issues. Even this may be very minor. Application changes, environment outages, performance delays the automation script development. There will be waiting time, sometime from hours to days. Review and rework. This is a good process to follow, but many will do for the sake of doing it, or just verify the standards, not the code optimization. This leads to low reusability and more cost for future script development. Sweet packaging. All the test cases are grouped for batch execution. Missing pre and post requisites cause lots of rework or recoding. Functional delays causes people to sit idle sometime, and there may be sometimes huge waiting times. There will be some other activities which cannot be avoided, like non-project discussions, internet surfing, etc. This will reduce the productive time. Standard buffer. All the projects include standard buffer of 15 to 30% as a reserve for circumstances. Even when there are no challenges, people definitely use this effort. So, do not calculate test cases automated per day. Calculate the number of test cases automated for a period of time, say a month, including other efforts or hidden costs. Calculate how many test cases are automated from the day you started the automation. Again, I am reiterating. As per the standard, 40 simple test cases can be automated by a person with 0 to 3 years of experience per month. So, what QA Masters says is, understand the hidden costs that are there in script development. What is our proposal? QA Masters proposes a fixed price for automating a test case. This price includes following activities or in scope: manual test case analysis or clarifications or initial KT, automation feasibility analysis, gathering test data, functional decomposition and design, script development for functions, prerequisites, postrequisites and test cases, review, rework, dry run, developing test functions to test functions or test cases. This is like developing unit test cases to the functional automated test cases. This helps in maintenance. Cleaning object repository. This also reduces the maintenance. Code cleanup. This improves the readability and reduces the maintenance. Inline commenting to the script to increase the readability and to reduce the maintenance. Technical support for technical challenges. We resolve our technical issues by using our experts. Even if there are any delays, we are not going to charge to the customer. Our price is highly competitive. We charge $25 to $50 to automate a test case based on technical complexity and other parameters. How much you are paying for automation versus our charge? Just calculate. Benefits. No cost for initial knowledge transfer on application or test cases. We know if we onboard a person, we have to spend a month or more than a month to make him understanding the application and initial inductions. No cost for application or network outages for agreed times. No cost for clarifications, discussions, meetings, general activities. No cost for technical issues, resolutions and wait times in automation. No resource management and liabilities. No team management and liabilities with the automation team. No administrative expenses. No overheads, no liabilities, no wastages. Pay only for the delivered automated test case. Why can't you try now? Application security. Whenever we discuss with the customers, the first concern from the customers was application security. We understand that security is the most concerned area for our customers. So we try to provide different ways to the security of the application. Say non-disclosure agreement, access through remote desktop, secured VPNs, no access to code, only application access for functional GUI automation. Any other modes suggested by customer, we are ready to provide that. Application security is top priority. Let us showcase our tools expertise. We have experience on functional test automation, mobile test automation, web services automation, security testing, performance testing, whatnot, everything on testing. We have expertise on commercial tools like QuickTest Professional, Test Complete, Coded UI, IBM RFT, CompuWare, Silk Test, etc. and open source tools like Selenium, web services tools like SoapUI, and test management tools like HP Quality Center, security tools like Job Proxy, and performance tools like LoadRunner. But this list is not limited. We have expertise on automation testing, web services, performance, security, and mobile app testing. Not limited to these tools, any other tools, contact us. Our automation services. We provide different automation services. Application readiness for automation, automation assessment, tool evaluations and selections. These are independent services. If you want, we will provide only service on this particular area. For example, if you want to identify most appropriate tool for automation, we will just consider that portion and we will recommend the best suited tool. So why best suited tool is required? To have the maximum automation coverage with optimized efforts. Proof of concept, we'll do the application feasibility. Framework design and development. If you want a framework only required for your company on top of any tools, then we will provide the framework. Test case development by using paper script model, and if you have any other models, yes, we will discuss those. Suite executions and maintenance. Our strengths are process analysis, productivity analysis, leadership, and management. Not limited to these services, any QA services, contact us. One reason why to contact us, I can tell you, is the cost. I can challenge that we are going to provide you a best rates at least 30 to 40% lesser than industry standard companies. Thank you very much. For more details, contact services@qamasters.com or visit www.qa-masters.com. If there are any other requirements on QA or testing area, please contact us. Thank you very much.